Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. I hope everyone had a great day. Um, Markets were flat today as far as the equity markets were flat. Um, so let's go over the markets. And all right. All right. Hey, Saga. Welcome, Saga. Welcome. Hey, Solomon. Welcome, Solomon. Hey, Wivley. Welcome. Welcome. All right, guys. Um, let's see here. Right here. All right. So not a lot of the Dow was up quite a bit. I think it got up to as high as 150 for the day, but pullback closed just barely up for the day. Nasdaq was down, S&P was down, so down to flat. So not didn't finish um, um, up in a big way today. All right, but that's okay. It's everything is still holding. Dow is holding here, right? The S&P holding, buyers are holding. All right, Nasdaq, Russell. We got close to breaking that resistance on the Russell. Look at that, right? That candle got all the way up here. A little bit more, we might have gotten the buy signal. All right, but it closed, right? Closed down right here. All right, but we'll take that. Okay. On the VIX is still trading low, right? 1398. That's good. All the sectors are up, guys, except for energy. All right. So crude oil still lower. So you guys should notice a drop in gas prices. All right. So that's good. Good for gas prices. All right. Let's go. We're gonna go right into as far as big picture, guys. Hasn't changed. All right. So we want to take a look at that. I do want to take a look at the US 30 or US 30 traders. We have a buy signal, but that closed on the 60-minute. All right. So let's take a look here. All right. On Monster US 30, all right, that buy signal close. That's too bad. All right. That's too bad. No, if you guys traded on the smaller time frame, right, you might have done well. All right. But that buy signal, right, this big white candle came all the way down, kicked us out of the trade on that 60-minute time frame, and then totally reversed. All right. Let's do this here. I'm going to bring in a trend line on that 60-minute time frame. So we should get another buy signal. All right. So I know it's frustrating when we get kicked out of the trades. So just stay with it. All right. We could get a buy signal. The price is right up here. So it moves a little higher, right? A bit higher up here. We get another buy signal. On the daily, it looks really good, guys. Right? On the daily right here. Hold on. All right. So on the daily right here, we look really good to get to that resistance. Okay. And then we'll see if we can break through that resistance. Okay. All right. Support is down here. So here we are right now, right? Completing that V. And hopefully we break through resistance. Okay. So just be careful, but just don't go short, right? Just don't go short. Don't trade against the overall trend here. But we could get a buy signal in the New York session here. Okay. All right. So let's go through current positions. Current positions we'll start with Monster Scalper. Okay. All right, Aussie CAD. All right, Aussie CAD. We've got some white candles coming in, guys. Here. All right, it's still holding support. Buy signal all the way down here. All right, still holding white candles. Just keep an eye on that. All right, we need buyers to come back in. push that price higher. So Aussie CAD, dollar CAD is holding. Buy signal is here. All right, all green candles. All right, holding support here. We just need buyers to continue to move the price higher. Aussie Swiss closed that trade. All right, so Aussie Swiss. All right, almost completed that V here, but look here, sellers came in pretty quickly. All right, buy signal was here, forced to close the trade right here. Red candles close the trade right here. So Aussie Swiss, all right, close that trade. All right. If you traded on the smaller time frame, you probably got out in time. Okay, that's on the 240 here. New Zealand CAD buy signal is here, trading up nicely. All right, remember, cut those losing trades. Right, get out of those losing trades quickly, right? We get a red candle, sell signal, get out, let your winning trades run. All right. New Zealand CAD buy signal is here, moving up nicely there. All right. New Zealand dollar, same thing. Buy signal is here, following that upward trend line. All right. A bit of a pullback here, but holding fine. New Zealand Swiss, all right. Buy signal is here. Now that came back all the way right to previous resistance, guys, is support. Keep an eye on it. Right, New Zealand Swiss. All right, keep an eye on it. And then the next one, the next long here is pound SGD. All right, so buy signal here, and that's moving up nicely there. All right, all right. Let's do this. All right. Nice upward trend line here. Okay. Short positions in Monster Scalper. Short positions in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right. HKD JPY. All right. It's a new short here. Low in the markdown phase, but certainly can go much lower, hopefully. All right. All right. HKD JPY. TRY JPY. All right. Sell short signal here. Right. That's working out so far. USD HUF. Sell short signal here. A bit of a pullback, right? We need sellers to come back down, break through support here, redistribution. EURSEK, that's holding. And then this one here was an error. We send that out. A correction on NZD USD. That should not be there. Okay. That's not a short for sure. Okay. All right. Now, Forex Dominator. We have a lot of trades in Forex Dominator, guys. Let's take a look at those. All right. All right. So Aussie yen. All right. Aussie yen. All right. AUD JPY buy signal is here. Right. Trending up that upward trend line really nicely there. Swiss yen. Swiss yen. Buy signal is here holding. All right. That's good. Euro yen. Buy signal is here. Pull back right at support. We need buyers to come back in and keep moving higher there. All right. Pound yen holding, same thing here. New Zealand yen, right? Holding. All right, guys. Sometimes they have to rest. Okay, they don't just go up full speed ahead, right? They have to take a break. Right, come back to support. All right here, and then hopefully buyers could come back in. All right. SGD JPY looks good there. The CAD pairs are continuing to move higher. Aussie CAD right here, good trade going there. Euro CAD, all right. Euro CAD, watch it, guys. We are watching two levels here. All right, we're watching this level here, all right, of support. All right, and then we're watching this level here of resistance. We needed to break through. Buy signal is here, so it's trading trading well so far. Just know that you've got sellers, right? You got sellers up here. It's making that high there. And so far, it's rejecting it, but no white candles, no red candles. Close eye. Keep a close eye on this one. That's Euro CAD. Pound CAD. Pound CAD is getting to that resistance. Look here, guys. It's getting to that resistance. Really good price action. Good trend. Let's bring in a trend line here so we can follow that price action closely. All right. Bring that out here. All right. So we just need that price action to continue to walk up that trend line, break through that resistance. All right. If if we get a white candle anywhere down in this area here, we get a white candle kind of like this here, we'll close the trade. Okay. But so far, looks good. Hopefully, we break through that resistance. All right. That's pound CAD. So CAD pairs are moving nicely, guys. And then New Zealand CAD, right? Again, in Forex Dominator. Buy signal is here, right? Breaking resistance. If you guys are trading this one here, this might be a good opportunity here to add, right? Not a lot, but just, you can add a bit more. But that's only if you got in here and you're trading it here. You guys can also trade these. These are good trends on the daily. You can trade them on your smaller time frames as well. Okay, so look for those opportunities. EURTRY continuing to move up slowly, guys. All right. So you can have a trade like this and just let it run while you trade your other pairs or your other markets. Okay. All right. EURHKD, right? Same thing. Buy signal here. We're watching, looking for resistance right up here. We'll see how it reacts to it. But hey, every day it's moving up, holding there. EURSGD, all right? Purple support and resistance here. All right, a bit of a pullback. Keep an eye on it. All right, keep an eye on it. All green candles, so that's good, but keep an eye on it. Purple support and resistance is always a concern. Euro dollar. Look at that, guys. Euro dollar, right? Made it right up to that resistance here. Keep an eye on it, right? We would like it to break through that resistance, right? No purple support and resistance up in this near resistance here. That's good. All right. Yellow support and resistance. Nice upward trend line. Let's bring that in. All right. So just follow that price action, guys. All right. So right here. All right. Hopefully, right, we break through end of this week or next week. All right. So that's euro, dollar. So good to see the euro pairs trading nicely there. Okay. We do have some shorts, and we added a few last night. All right. So shorts in Forex Dominator. All right. USD MXN sell short signal here, a bit of a pullback. All right. Just keep an eye on it. We do have support. Keep in mind these are very low in the markdown phase. All right. So if you get white candles, come in, close that trade right quickly. Support is here. All right. Hopefully we can break through down here, and then we have more support down here. Okay. USD MXN, dollar CAD. Let's frame this. All right. All right, so resistance is here. We do have support. Right here. Very choppy chart, guys. We shouldn't really be trading this. Okay. All right, but the dollar is making a move. Let's take a look at the futures. All right, look at the dollar index, guys. Continuing to move lower. Right. It's up right now, but look at that. So hopefully that will help. All right. This pair here. dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD. Just give it a chance. All right, to move lower there. All right, and the dollar pairs have been moving quite a bit. USDN, okay. All right, sell short signal is here. All right, and it's trading right at support. Hopefully, it's gonna break through. Wanted to break through that support, and then we have lower support down here. But the goal is sell short signal here needs to break down. All right. USD CNH. USDN, okay. Right. That's holding it short right here. Okay. All right. Let's frame this. Bring some clarity to it there. All right. Let's do this. And support about, we would say, let's bring that down here. Okay. Let's do this. Make it a little tighter here. Okay. All right. So the goal is to come back down to support. And these range trades, guys, these are some range trades. EURSEK. All right. Same thing. Good short going here. This short looks good here, guys. Rejected resistance in a big way. A lot of strong resistance here. Hold on. All right, there we are. All right. All right. So we have real strong resistance. All right. Real strong resistance right here, guys. Okay. So right up here. All right. Right here. All right. Rejected it before, rejected it. Sellers are coming in. Now, the good news here is that our support, we don't have any support, guys, until about right down here. Right. And it's not a lot of support. So if we get back down in this area, we could break through this support here. Not very strong support, but good risk reward. Look at that. Right. And fairly clean. All right. Good markdown, good markup. Hopefully we get another good markdown. EURCZK. EURCZK. All right. And then EURSEK. All right. That's breaking out of support. And let's bring in our resistance right here. All right. So it's breaking out of that area here. Good. Choppy in here. So we'll see how far it can go down, but not bad trading there. All right. You guys see some of these Euro pairs are long, some are short. All right. Let's take a look at equities. And we have a lot of stocks to go through. And what I want to show you guys, look at, if you guys look here, all this green. So a lot of these stocks were up today. Look at that in Bullmaster, right? So a lot of these were up. Look at that. All these were all that green there. That's what we like to see. That's in Bullmaster. And look at that in Stock Boss. All right. This one was up 22% today. All right. NEGG. That's pretty good for stocks in one day. Okay. And we'll look to add positions also. Okay. All right. So let's go through these. And we'll go through this quickly too. All right. All right. Stock Boss. All right. Okay. Now this one here is a transportation stock. Okay. We don't have a lot of those, but this one was a great markdown phase. Great markdown phase, guys. Look at this. Nice buy signal. So we got into that one there. So VLRS, all right, that's transportation. Next one. Now, all we're looking for with these guys, we're going to go through this quickly. We're looking for good markup phase. We just want to make sure they're holding right to the markup phase, right? White candles, we'll pay attention to those, right? Analyze them a bit. Red candles, we have to close the trade. All right. Sell signals by our system. This white arrow here, right? So buy signal here, sell signal here, white arrow, close the trade. All right. So this one, buy signal here, that's holding fine. AMSC in stock boss, and that's technology. All right. ANGI, right? Let me bring this up. That's holding fine right there. That's what we like to see. No changes there. All right. AVPT, right? Good price action there. All green candles. BBAI, that's holding. BKKT, all right, doing well. That's holding. CLBT, all right. All of these are technology so far, guys. All right. If it changes, I'll let you know when it changes. CLBT, nice price action breaking higher. Look at CLSK, guys. Another update on that stock, looking good. DDD, that's moving higher. Update for the day. All right. I'm sorry, DH. All right, DH, that's holding. All right, INDI, that's did really well today, almost 6.5% today. All right, INFN, that's a white candle there. Let's take a look at the weekly. All right, look at that, guys. All right, sellers are definitely still in control on the weekly. All right, so we will close this trade here. Okay. All right, so INFN, close this trade. All right, so IN, let me close it in here also. INFN, close that trade. All right, IREN. Look at that, guys. Really good price action here. And this is an inexpensive stock. Good support, good markdown phase. That's a really good setup there. All right. Really, really good setup. If we complete that V, guess what? We all the way up here. All right. So good trade going there. IREN. All right. All right. MGNI. That's good. MTTR looks good. MVIS, that looks good. All these are technology. NVTS, all right. Nice markdown phase. Buy signal. Traders are holding. PRCH, guys, breaking resistance. Look at that. It's breaking resistance there. All right. SMRT, all right. That's holding there. All of these are technology. SOUN, all right. That's holding. UIS holding purpose support and resistance, guys. Keep an eye on this one here. Okay, it's approaching that resistance right here. It's approaching it. Purpose support and resistance tells us that the price is slowing down. We're getting lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so keep that in mind, and that is technology. Okay. Wish, WISH, all right, that's holding. I want to take a quick look at technology sector, see how it's holding up. Tech, it's still number one. All right, almost broke purpose resistance here. All right, so that's good. Okay. All right. All right. WISH holding here. So that's it for technology. These are communication services. Okay, so EGHT, that's holding nicely there. All right. What's that? FTCH. FTCH, guys, close this trade here. All right. Nothing you can do about that. It gapped down, right? Gap down at the open, closed. All right. Buy signal was at 2. $2.15. Gap down, hit support right here, give a sell signal right here at $1.31. Close that trade. All right. All right, just close it. No big deal. FTCH. Let's close it here. And we'll also close it here. FTCH, close that trade. All right. And that's in Stock Boss. GDRX, all right, that looks good. These are communication services. Look at HNST, guys. Nice movement there. Nice price action. Inexpensive stock, too. All right. Communication services. ILPT. Look at ILPT, guys. We got into that one. I think we added it yesterday or day before yesterday. Broke resistance. The buy signal came in right here. Gapped up today. Right. Nice big candle. Look at how it's, look at that, guys. Nice swings. Nice swings here. All right. Good chance we could get back up to resistance up in that area there. Okay. ILPT. MCW, that's trading up nicely. No support and resistance, so let it run. NDLS, that's holding fine. Look at NGG. We talked about this, right? Gapped up today, big in a big way. Nice trade going there. Okay. Another one, NMRK. NMRK. All right. Broke resistance, gapped up today. These stocks are starting to gap up. That's good. They're buying them. They're buying them. Good price action there. Communication services. Open also gapped up. All right. Open also gapped up. Open was up, what, 5%? NEGG was 21%. And then another one here, QRTEA, all right, up 10%, a little over 10% there. Good price action, guys, moving up nicely there. That was communication services. FATE, all right, healthcare. We have a couple of healthcare there. That looks good. VIR healthcare holding there. BBD, that's consumer staples. That's good trade going there, guys. A few more moves and it hit resistance here. Right, good price action. Look at that, nice V going here. Right, we're still in Zaire's terminology there. Right, so nice V. All right, resistance is right up here. So good trade going in. Let's go ahead and put in a resistance line. So we have, we'll have a target. That doesn't mean we'll close it. We'll see how the price reacts to it up here. So BBD, BRCC, that looks good. STKL, all right, that looks good there. GPRO looks holding. Most of these are holding, guys. SPCE. Look at AMBP, guys. AMPB. That's basic material. So gold and silver. That's metals. So good move going there, right? And we're starting to see a move in gold and silver. BAK, that's holding. All right. DNN, a bit of a pullback. All right. This was a reaccumulation trade there. Buy signal was here. Pull back today. We'll see how it does tomorrow. Okay. And that's basic material. And HUYA, that's holding here. Right. We talked about this one. We are hoping that, hey, it just holds support and buyers can come in. Green candles after these white candles here. All right. So just a couple to change in Stock Boss. Now, Bullmaster looks like it probably held much better. Okay. All right. Let's frame this. Snow. I know this looks horrible, but we looked at the weekly and the monthly, and I believe they looked really well. Look good. So support down here. Let's bring this in. Support buy signal here. Let's make sure here because this is a all right. So this is what we're looking at here. Okay. All right. So good support here on the weekly. Green candles looking to test resistance here and hopefully break out. Let's take a look at the monthly. All right. So I remember this now. Okay. Big white candle here on the weekly, on the monthly. So I know the daily doesn't look good, but so that's why we got um, weekly and monthly looks good. We just got to get past. If we can get past this resistance here, which is 194, um, might be able to move higher there. Okay, SNOW. All right, look at PANW, guys. Nice move here. That's that reaccumulation. When the market's bullish, right, these trades will do well. All right, especially if they're getting near the 52-week high, all-time highs. All right, there's no resistance above. They could definitely move. You could see buyers come in. So good example here, PANW there. All right, so if anyone is in it, continue to hold. SYM, that's trading nicely there. Look at GPS, guys. GPS, nice move here. We've been talking about this one, right? Resistance was here, gapped up, right? And continuing to move higher. Buy signal here was at $11.77, trading at $20.16. Great trade going. Good job with GPS. Great trade going there. All right, continuing to move higher there. AI just holding. Look at STNE, broke that resistance. Look at that, guys, right? So completed that V, but hey, guess what? It's kept on going, right? So it's continuing to move higher there. So don't be quick to get out at resistance. If they break resistance, we could see buyers really jump in. Okay, so um, use this as an area, to watch, but keep an eye on them closely, but don't be so quick to close the trade, right? Because you'll end up trying to chase them. MRVL, that's holding there. Okay. BRZE moving up nicely. Look at Bullmaster, guys. Bullmaster, look at that. Solomon, you're on here. Look for some calls. I know you look for some calls. PI, right? Breaking out nicely. All right, WCC, that looks good. We have, let's bring in support. These range trades, these are wide range trades, right? So we have some opportunities here. Okay. WCC, that's trading well there. Okay. TSME, that's holding. SWI, that's trading nicely there. AMD trading nicely. DOCN, all right, good markdown phase, nicely in the markup phase. Snap, guys, Snap is getting close to breaking through that resistance there. All right. As a matter of fact, let's do this. We're going to bring that down here. All right. And support here. All right. Right here. Okay. All right. So good job. We've snapped. Look at that. You bring that in. You'll see good markdown phase. And right here. No, we're not adding any positions this evening, guys. We'll do that tomorrow. Okay. Riot, right? Holding nicely here. All right. Good support. Good markdown phase. Okay. We can look for it to get back in this area here. Let's draw that high right here. Right here. All right. So be patient with it. RIOT. IAS, right? Look at this right here. Let's bring that line. Hey, we learned this from Zaire, right? So hey, hopefully it completes that V, moves all the way back up here. Let's watch it to see. All right. IAS. DV, all right, DV, nice markdown phase, right, moving up nicely. We'll do the same thing here. A few of these are setting up perfectly here, okay. Hopefully it gets back up in that area. That's DV. All right, V, all right, VRTN. We're gonna do that same thing here. Now this is a lot. This has a lot of consolidation up here, guys. We'll hold off on doing that with this one. All right, PLTR, buy signal here. That's holding. And GoDaddy, look at GoDaddy, guys, gapped up. You would have thought, right? I think our entry said about right here, all right, is when we send this out, right about here. You would have thought that we'd get a pullback, right? Right about here, get a pullback. But guess what? It keeps gapping up, gapped up here, gapped up here, gapped up here. Strong stock. The buy signal came in at 77. It's at 97 now, guys. So 20 points on that trade. So good trade there going with GoDaddy. No support and resistance lines. All right, good trade going there. PLTR, did we mention that? All right, PLTR. All of these are technology. All right, SDGR, that's holding there. SMTR, right? I think we have these both in Stock Boss and Bullmaster. CAMT, right? Holding nicely there. PLAB, that's holding. MARA, all right, that's holding. This one broke out in Stock Boss and continued in Bullmaster. That's always good to see. At CRDO, all right, that's breaking out, good price action. Look at these stocks, guys. Remember a few months ago we didn't have any stocks to trade. Look at this. All right, CRUS, that's trading nicely there. EY, all right. KTOS, all right, and QRTEP. All right. So markets was soft. I mean, flat to down. So we'll look for new opportunities tomorrow. And Forex, we'll do Forex also tomorrow. Okay. I just want to make sure. I want to take a quick look at Forex, Monster Scalper. And then I'll let you guys go. All right. All right. Look at that. Still a lot of red in here. I don't like that when the whole thing is, look at that, all that red. All right. So something is going on here. All right. What's the top trending pair? Top trending pair is Euro Pound short there. Pound Dollar, Pound HKD. All right. The dollar. So the pound pairs are really what's leading right now. All right. But keep an eye on this. That's not good. All right. That's not good. We have no real direction, guys. So the shorts on the yen pairs. No, we have a couple of shorts. If you're trading the shorts on the yen pairs, use your smaller time frame. We could see where the yen pairs, guys, could reverse, right? Like right here, buyers could come in. If you guys look here, that's why we only have two, because this could change. All right, we have, as an example, Aussie yen right here. That's an upward trend line. You could see buyers, right, come back, right, and continue that trend there. So, right, we don't have a rotation. If the dollar pairs, they were buying in the dollar pairs, selling here, we could, that's a real rotation. But this is very confusing here. So you can trade, but just be careful. Okay. I mean, we've got some picks out. there's some trades that we're in, um, but just be careful. Okay. All right. Um, I think that's it. That's it. All right, guys. We'll get picks tomorrow. Okay. We'll do some picks tomorrow. All right. Take care. Have a good evening. Thanks for coming. All right. Take care. Trade lightly. Trade lightly. Trade lightly. Okay. All right. Except for equities. Equities are doing much better. All right. So equities, if you know what you're doing, you could put some capital to work. Okay. All right, guys. Have a good evening. Take care. Bye bye.